Okay, here's the situation. Not a good situation, but here's the situation. This camera, the camera I film most of my videos with, still waterlogged, still doesn't turn on. I think this is a lost cause. I'm gonna get it repaired, but it's not turning on. This camera, the audio jack doesn't work, which means there's no shotgun mic, which means it probably sounds really windy right now. I'm gonna order a new camera off Amazon so that I can fix this one, fix the audio jack on that one while I'm using the new one, then go back to this one because this one has better video, and when it has audio, this is by far the best camera. But for now, we need a temporary fix, and in my infinite genius, I think I've come up with a solution.
You're all good to go. Have a great day. Thanks. A great holiday.
You too.
Sit down.
Okay, here's the situation. Thankfully, every single camera accessory you could ever think of in the world is sold at B&H, and I think I got the right one. This thing is literally $12. It's the greatest invention of all time. You've seen those big fuzzy mics like on real cameras, and you know, news reporters hold them. It's so it blocks out the wind. So what this company did, Rycote, they made little tiny ones to put on top of onboard camera mics. Adhesive strips, dead cats. Yeah, these things are called dead cats. This should completely solve it, I think. I think. Stick this onto the mic, and at least for the time being, that should make the audio a lot better. Hopefully. This week has obviously been crazy busy with the move and me trying to set everything up and getting situated in the city. So as a result, I really haven't had much time to pay any attention to any of the sneaker release dates, which sucks, because this is one of the best weeks for sneaker releases of the entire year. I mean, look at it. We had the Bread 11s last week. We had the Yeezy 700 Carbon Blues yesterday. Today, we have the Jordan 3 Animal Prints. We have Off-White Dunks. We have the Yeezy Yecheils. Like, this week is jam-packed. I wasn't really able to enter any raffles for them, which I'm kicking myself about because I want all of them, especially those Yeezy Yecheils. But apparently, and this is just according to a couple people on Twitter, apparently Concepts did a first come first serve on the Jordan 3 Animal Prints. Now the store opened up a couple of hours ago, so there's little to no chance that they're still there, but I was in the area, so I thought we'd check it out. I've actually never been over to Concepts New York, so let's see. I mean, they're not gonna have them, but let's see if they have them. Oh my goodness, look what we have chilling here. The LeBron 7 Christmas retros. I think these just dropped today, or maybe they dropped yesterday. Point being, these things are incredible. This brings me back to when I first started getting into sneakers. These are really, really, really cool. Genuine leather on the toe cap. Really cool colorway. I don't know what retail is on these, maybe like $190, $200. I'm not gonna pick them up, but this is really cool. Keep retroing more LeBrons. If you start doing the 9s, I'm gonna buy 9s. If you do some more 4s, I'm gonna buy the 4s. I mean, I love the old school LeBrons, especially in classic colorways like this. Just love to see it. Unsurprisingly, they didn't have the animal print Jordan 3 sitting there, which, I mean, no big deal. It's a nice pair of shoes. I don't need to get them. I would have liked to get them, but I don't need to get them. Seriously, those LeBron 7s are amazing, and what I'm saying is if those go on sale, I'll probably purchase them. So that crosses one off the list, at least. We're not getting the Jordan 3s, but there's still the Yeezys and the Off-White Dunks that come out this week. The Yeezys are really cool. One of my favorite Yeezy colorways ever. I had the privilege of holding them in hand already in the Philippines. They look gorgeous, but we've seen Yeezy 350s. We know what they look like. They're nothing special. They're nothing new. The Off-White Dunks, on the other hand, this is the first time we've ever seen the Off-White Dunks. It's a brand new model. It's never existed before. It's never released before. They're going for like $600 on StockX, which is insane. So considering that I didn't enter any raffles, 0 0 chance that I'm getting them for retail, but we're still gonna try and find a pair somewhere. Thankfully, this is never a problem in New York City, and pairs are easy to find everywhere. So, here we have it. The Nike Off-White Dunk Low, green and white and orange. Is there a colorway? I don't think there's a colorway name. We could call these the St. Patrick's Days. We could call them the Boston Celtics. We could call them the green, the Christmas ones? Let's not go with the Christmas ones. These are beautiful though. What is retail on these? 170, 150, 160, 180? I have no, 140? I should really do my research before. Like, I mean, I just go to the store and buy them. I really like these though. I mean, leather is beautiful on these. I was able to take a look at a sample pair of the red and gray ones back when I was in Manila in like October. Those are also beautiful. If you guys want to see those, there is a button right there. These though, I have to say, I think I like these much better. These are at Sneaker Flea right now, which is one of the earliest places that I've seen have a pair. Where is the size tag? Okay, well these are some size. I can't, oh, there's the size. I'm an idiot. It's literally just right on the, these are size 11. How would I rank these among the Off-Whites? A lot better than some of them, a lot worse than some other ones. I'd say the Prestos, the Jordan 1s, the Blazers, the Air Forces are all much better than these, except I do think these are better than like the Vapor Maxes and the 97s, and honestly I think these are better than the Chuck Taylors. I think the Chuck Taylors are one of the worst Off-Whites. These are also better than like the Waffles and the Vaporflies and all that stuff as well. I do really like these. I rank these probably 5th or 6th around there in terms of the Off-White silhouettes, and I mean dropping 3 on the same day. That is ambitious. We haven't seen that since the original collection of the 10 when that came out like 2 years ago. So, I mean, this is pretty cool. Let me know what you think of these down in the comment section below. Seriously, I really like these. I think they're good. I think they're really good. Sadly, I didn't get a pair for retail. So, it snowed again. I'm supposed to be getting my boosted board battery in the mail this week or early next week, and they don't really work too well in the snow, so seeing this is really depressing. I mean, honestly, top 3 reasons I wanted to live in New York is to ride my boosted board around the city and narrowly miss getting hit by cars. This sucks.